Your Jeep doors do this? Let's fix that. I got some new door hinge bushings, and they come with a little tool from Amazon that you pound them in, and we're going to try those to see if we can tighten up this door. Well, actually, all 4 doors. So we're going to be at this for a little while, but we'll see how it goes. Comes with this little tool, and what I understand is you pound it up in there and it knocks the old one out. So that's what the old one looks like. So the kit even comes with these little nubs that you thread on here, and you know, just stop bunging up the ends of these threads maybe. So we'll put those on. We've got the new bushings in. They're a little bit loose, so I don't know if I'd buy this from Amazon again, because I don't think you should be able to just take them out, because I'll probably lose them. But we'll give these a shot. Can't be worse than what was in there. So we'll tighten these up, put the door back on, and see how it goes. Certainly a lot tighter. Next. Yeah, that needs it. So one thing I'm learning as I do this is that some of these it's easier to pound on it with a screwdriver, get it to peel in, and then pound it out from the top. So just keep that in mind.